Horses out here, Yellowstein, pass to begin, perfect timing, and on the outside, perfect moment, Mr. Eagle joining them, Security Prince is racing in fourth, then comes Rogue, Flawless comes next, Yellowstein, and Pacienciosa is the early trailer. We have perfect timing, perfect moment, party out for the lead, Alenk back in third, moving up by Drell, Security Prince, Mr. Eagle is on the outside fourth, and a long way back to Rogue, Flawless, Pacienciosa, and Yellowstein. This time we've got four runners fighting out for the lead. Security Prince, perfect timing, perfect moment. Mr. Eagle is on the outside. Racing in fifth now is Rogue, Flawless, Pacienciosa, and Yellowstein. Now we have Security Prince. This time by about 2 lengths. And in second, perfect timing, Mr. Eagle in third, then comes perfect moment, Rogue, Flawless, and as they come down to the last 150, and it's still Security Prince by about 3 lengths, and in second, Mr. Eagle, Rogue is on the outside, perfect timing, last 75 meters, Security Prince, entering the finish line, Jackie, Jepril, Tagulaw, Sarate, Security Prince, Rogue, then comes Yellowstein, Flawless, Mr. Eagle.